Hello dear students, good morning to you all. Today in GK session we'll start with the chapter 18, that is revolutionary invention. Okay, in this chapter innumerable scientific inventions and discoveries have revolutionized our life and have proved to be a blessing for mankind. So in this chapter we have to match these inventions with the names of the scientists. Okay, the first one is ballpoint pen, modern 1938, was invented by Laszlo Biro. Okay, Laszlo Biro has invented ball pen. He is the inventor of the easy to use writing implement generally known as the Biro in Britain and ballpoint pen in the United States. Next is electric battery. Electric battery was invented by Alessandro Volta. Okay, electric battery was invented by Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta was a physicist, chemist, and pioneer of electrical science. He is most famous for his invention of the electric battery. In brief, he invented the first electric battery, which people then called the voltaic pile. Let's see the next one. Third is canned food. Canned food was invented by Nicholas Appert. Okay, Nicholas Appert. In full, Nicholas Francis Appert, French chef, confectioner, and distiller who invented the method of preserving food by enclosing it in hermetically sealed containers. Let's see the fourth one, that is modern laptop, was invented by Bill Moggridge. Bill Moggridge founded his design firm in London in 1969, adding a second office in 1979 in Palo Alto, in the heart of California's Silicon Valley. He designed the first laptop computer, the grid compass, and pioneered interaction design as a discipline. Next is escalator. Escalator was invented by G.H. Wheeler and J.W. Reno in 1894. An escalator is a moving stairway that transports people from one floor to the other. Escalators are there at airports, stores, subway stations, or in malls also. The invention of the escalators was made by two American inventors named G.H. Wheeler and J.W. Reno in 1894. Next is bifocal lens, was invented by Benjamin Franklin in 1804. Benjamin Franklin was an American polymath, active as a writer, scientist, inventor, statesman, diplomat, printer, publisher, and political philosopher. Among the leading intellectuals of his time, Franklin was one of the founding fathers of the United States and the first United States Postmaster General. Okay, let's see the seventh one, that is hearing aid, was invented by Sonoton Corporation in USA. Sonoton Corporation was a hearing aid manufacturer that was started by Hugo Liebler, inventor of the bone conduction receiver, in New York City in 1929. Notable models of Sonoton hearing aids include the Sonoton in 1952 with a transistor and two vacuum tubes. Eighth one, safety match. Safety match was invented by John Walker. John Walker, in full, Sir John Ernest Walker. He was a British chemist too, who was co-recipient with the Paul D. Boyer of the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1997 for their explanation of the enzymatic process that creates adenosine triphosphate. Next is microwave oven was invented by Percy LeBron Spencer. Percy LeBron Spencer was an American physicist and inventor. He became known as the inventor of the microwave oven. Next, 10th one is cement. Cement was invented by Joseph Aspdin. Joseph Aspdin was an English cement manufacturer who obtained the patent for Portland cement on 21 October 1824. Next is photocopier. Photocopier was invented by Carlson. Carlson is a privately held company headquartered in the Minnetonka, United States. The Carlson Company's quality assurance program controls every aspect of the engineering and manufacturing process and ensures that the customer is provided with the quality, defect-free products. And the last one is cloning DNA 1973. And the last one is cloning DNA 1973 was invented by Cohen. Cohen technology, the way in which genetic material from one organism is artificially introduced into the genome of another organism and then replicated and expressed by that other organisms, was invented largely through the work of Herbert Boyer and Cohen. I hope you understood the video and complete your work. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.